Hey guys, so if you're wondering why I'm not online for a few days, it's because my phone is broken, but I have another YouTube channel, look. Yeah, this is my other one, you've probably seen this before. And this is one of my animations, probably. This thing, these things, yeah. Yeah, and still watch it on my different YouTube channel. And I just made this since my phone is broken. I don't know why. I just like posting stuff, making more memes. I don't know. Maybe that other YouTube channels better, but okay, let's go with the flow. This is good. Ah, this is good. Good banana. Hey, good.